The SB19 arrived at Araneta incomplete, as Ken and their leader Pablo were absent this time. The awarding would have been more joyful if they were all present, but perhaps they were busy or had other important commitments. Thankfully, the remaining 3 members were able to attend. SB19's first win came through Philip, who bagged the Wish Rock / Alternative Song of the Year award for his song Kanako.
Wish Rock Alternative Song of the Year. Bulaklak sa Buwan, Ellie Buendia. Ikot, Over October. Kanako, Philip. Museo, Eliza Natura. Segurista, Zil.
And the Wish Rock Alternative Song of the Year is...
This was followed by Stel's victory for Wish Ballad Song of the Year with his song Di Ko Masabi.
Good evening, everyone. To be honest po, kinakabahan pa rin ako hanggang ngayon. And this is my first time na mag-receive po ng award as a solo artist. Hanggang ngayon po, to be honest, hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala na nakakapag-release pa ako ng song. But with this, isa po itong patunay na marami po talaga nagtitiwala sa akin. Kaya maraming salamat po. Gusto ko magpasalamat kay Lord sa pagbigay po sa akin ng talent na meron ako ngayon. Sa aking friends, families, of course, Warner Music Philippines. Thank you so much for believing me. Sa group ko, SB19, 1Z Entertainment, thank you so much. Sa 18 po, and sa... to all my beloved berries, thank you so much for believing in me. Thank you so much for supporting me. Hindi ko man po mapapangako na kaya ko pong gampanan ng mga bagay na naiisip niyo pa sa akin, pero isa na pong mapapangako ko. Patuloy ko pong maalagaan yung boses ko para marinig niyo po ako hanggang gusto niyo po. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much, Wish. I love you. Keep on wishing!
He also won Breakthrough Artist of the Year and the Wisher's Choice Award. Josh also took home an award for Wish Hip Hop Song of the Year with his track Get Right. He was visibly surprised by the win, expressing his great respect for his fellow nominees. Let's hear it from Josh.
Paano nangyari yun? Pero sige, first of all, sabi ko po kanina mga idol ko po kasi talaga yung mga kapwa nominees ko for this category. So, shoutout po sa inyo, syempre, Outside, Evavi, sila Flo G, and everyone else. Maraming salamat po sa inspirasyon nyo. Pero syempre, for this award, sobrang i-cherish ko po ito. This is not just an award for me, but this is a checkpoint para sa mga future plans at sa mga future, syempre, achievements ng OPM at ng hip-hop. Para sa kultura po, at syempre, manatiling, syempre, maging malakas po ang kultura natin. Even if become, being P-pop, hip-hop, or any other genres, salamat po. Maraming salamat. Wish 1075, 18, Billy Cruz, at syempre sa mga kagrupo ko din, dahil pinayagan nila ako mag-schedule. maraming salamat po para sa inyo lahat ito.
Meanwhile, Pablo secured the title of Wish Artist of the Year. For group categories, SB19 won Wish Ballad Performance of the Year and Best Collaboration of the Year with Mr. Glock 9.
Siyempre po, bago po ang lahat kay Sir Aris, maraming salamat po sa opportunity. At siyempre po sa lahat po ng management namin at nila 1Z Entertainment, si Sony Music Philippines, Asintada. At ayun po, it has been grabe yung collaboration na to be with a legendary artist such as with Sir Aris. Isang karangalan na po ito. Pero para sa award na to, sobrang laki po ng binigay niyo sa aming achievement for this one. And may gusto pa kayo sabihin, guys?
Sa ngalan po ni Sir Glock 9 at ng Sintada. Maraming salamat SB19 and 1C Entertainment. It only shows like the collaboration that are being supported in the Philippines around the globe. OPM is moving forward and up. So congratulations po sa inyo.
Yes, maraming God po. Salamat po.
Thank you so much po! Una-una po, gusto ulit namin magpasalamat sa sumusuporta po sa amin. 18! Lagi namin sinasabi na kung wala ang 18, walang SB19. Maraming salamat. Sa lahat po ng naniniwala sa grupo namin, mula noon hanggang ngayon, maraming salamat. Wish, simula noon pa lang naniwala na kayo at hanggang ngayon, nandyan po kayo para sa amin. Maraming salamat. Ang award po na ito ay nagpapatunay lang na marami pa rin kong nagtitiwala sa grupo namin at gagawin pa po namin ang lahat ng aming makakaya para mag-share at parinig pa po ang boses namin. Maraming salamat. Sony Music Philippines, maraming salamat po. 1C Entertainment, lahat po ng bubuo at nakatrabaho po namin sa aming EP. Maraming salamat. Kayo pong nagsilbing ilaw sa amin. Sana maging silbing ilaw rin po kayo sa iba. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay ang musikang Pilipino.